Hi Supermoms, Christina Moreland, author of Secrets of the Supermom here. And yesterday I did a short video about this new binder system that I've come up with to help stay on top of all the school paperwork that comes home and just to help me stay up with my son's studies because he's got 5 subjects and he's now in 3rd grade and it's a big year. This is the first year where he's going to have a standardized test called the STAR. And so we just want to stay prepared and on top of everything. And so yesterday I mentioned this binder system, and this is going to be part 2 video because I wanted to show you. I actually went through and completed my initial organization. So these are my notes from curriculum night. There were a lot of new policies and things like that that we needed to know about, some things that were very specific to his classroom. So I'm keeping my notes here so that I know I can always refer to them, all of his teacher information, and then I divided this up into subjects, okay? So all of his subjects are in here. So there's math, science, reading, writing, and social studies. And I have some initial samples from last year. But the biggest thing is I kept a lot of the helpful sheets from last year that the teacher gave them. So reading letter directions, reading strategies, how to mark your work, how to show your strategies. You know, if they're writing a fairy tale, what needs to be included in there, character feelings, character traits. There's stuff in here for math. They ended last year with multiplication and division, and so we have a sampler from last year. So as soon as he gets into these new quizzes and tests this year, we're ready to go. We have the review material, and then we can keep going. So I broke it up into all the different subjects, and then we've got all of our extra school supplies in here, extra pencils, extra sharpeners, extra scissors, anything that we need. So if he comes home and he's doing a homework assignment, then boom. This is my binder. I know where everything is. Everything is going to stay right here. And even my other son who's in preschool, when he comes home, for example, they're just starting to do show and tell on Fridays, which is really cute. So the school sent home specific directions for how they want us to do show and tell, and so that's going in this binder too. So I've got both my kids all together, all their schoolwork right here, and it's going to make it really easy. And this was his binder from 2nd grade, so you can see I kept some of the materials from last year, not all, but my system is going to be anytime he's mastered a new concept and they're moving on, then I'm throwing those materials away unless he made a really good grade and we just want to keep on for review. We would just want to hang on to it. But other than that, you know, I'm tossing things constantly as they come in, and we're just keeping what's pertinent to what he's working on now. And that's how I'm going to stay on top of everything. Another tip for moms who have toddlers or preschoolers, you know, one of the best things that you can do is read to your child. 20 minutes per night is kind of the standard so that they can become really literate people. And so one of the things that we're doing at night with my preschooler is we're going to read a book, and then we're also going to do a page in one of these workbooks. So I've got beginning sounds so that he can learn to understand beginning sounds for letters. That's also directly mimicking what he's learning in class at the same time. And then we're going to practice numbers, and then we're going to practice writing those. So 20 minutes a night is all you need. Unless your child is like mine, and in higher grades, obviously they require a little bit more homework time. But for preschool and toddlers, 20 minutes a night is a great way to start out. And anyway, I hope that these tips help you. And feel free to write a comment on the Facebook page, Secrets of the Supermom, and just let me know what you think and if you want to follow along what I'm doing. Talk to you soon.